So what is unique with Melbourne, this is the biggest tramway network in the world with almost 500 tramways. And more than 80% of those tramways have been manufactured in Dandenong. So the identity of Melbourne is proudly made in Dandenong.
Dandenong's first tram order came in 1973, increasing the number of employees from 30 to almost 200. The Z-Class was the first of the series of tram contracts over the next 20 years, with 230 trams built. The design was progressively modernised, leading to the construction of 70 A-Class trams in the mid-80s. Around the same time, Dandenong landed on its first international tram export, building 35 light rail vehicles for KCR in Hong Kong, which shared many features with the Melbourne trams.
The other one is a Hong Kong cab, the tram cab. I had to do it all out of wood that I picked up around the site. Yeah, I took the tram, the cab, they took it to Hong Kong and it's probably still there.
The B-Class trams were the next big radical jump in technology. They were the first articulated trams in Australia, with a capacity of 110 passengers, and also the first air-conditioned trams. And then, around the mid-90s, Dandenong built a batch of Vario trams for Sydney, the first low-floor tram in Australia. In 2010, Dandenong won a contract to build 50 new Melbourne trams, followed by a second order for a total of 100 trams. A huge milestone to the future of Melbourne's tram network and for Alstom. These trams were the E-Class, based on the Flexity Swift model, with many adaptations made to suit our local Melbourne network. The E-Class are Melbourne's biggest trams. They are 33.5 metres long, with a capacity of 210 passengers.
The trams from yesteryear to today I find that the trams here are far more sturdier, heavier, heavy duty. They're low floor, they're easy access for disabled and wheelchair people and older people.
Looking to the future, the next generation G-Class trams are currently being built here at Dandenong, based on the extensive history and experience of tram construction at the site since the 70s, as well as Alstom's broader international expertise. The G-Class is a smaller model that is capable of operating the entire network.
The NGT project is, I think, a very important project for site Dandenong. I was fortunate enough to work on the mock-up on it, which gives me a good insight of what the tram is going to look like and how it's going to function. I did work on the E2 class trams, and I think the NGT will be a better product, not just for the general public, but for local manufacturing.
We are so proud to celebrate the 70-year history of Alstom Dandenong as we continue to deliver innovative rail solutions to our local communities.